Hey y'all, how y'all doing? How you mama now? Welcome to Blue Bite Noise channel. We gonna, I guess I'm getting hungry. That dang hog chapter meeting wasn't much to it. 3 dang people plus the 4 counting the Harley Davidson dealership deal, the whatever you call them people that does promotional whatever. Director, I guess, I don't know. Hey, run that intro. We'll get into what we're doing. Hello, friend. Well, what we do? Oh, yeah, we're gonna take a page out of Ucmpigs. You know, go check out Ucmpigs up here. His gas station gourmet, whatever he used to call it. He ain't did one here recently. But we got one up here. I don't think it's this one. It's maybe the next one. I don't know. I can't remember. It's Edwardsville. It's the world's greatest gas station, or best gas station food in Alabama, something like that. Yeah, it's the next Edwardsville. So we're gonna stop and check it out and see if they are the greatest gas station food. The reason why they got that handle, James, I believe it was James Spann, come over here one day. He stopped to eat here, and he does like a little promotional deal on, I guess he's on Fox 40 or ABC. I don't know what channel he's on. Fox 6. I don't remember. Hey, look, another friend. How you doing, friend? But James Spann stopped over here and said it was one of the world's best gas station foods. So we're gonna stop over here and check it out. I'm getting hungry, so I believe it's the next couple of miles. I think it ain't coming up on my. No, that's Heflin. That go back the other way. Well, anyway, we're gonna get over here and see what it does. I don't know why my phone. No, it's next little Edwardsville. We'll see you when we get over here. Alright, folks, we coming up on that world's greatest gas station foods, gourmet gas station food. I don't know what is that, barbecue and hot butter pizzas and all like that. But there's a sign, and looks like it's pretty much packed. Huh. Can we get a place to park in here? Best gas station food ever. Alrighty then. I don't know if there's anywhere to park. Might be just passing on by here. Nope, I'm gonna park right here in the front row. They don't say anything. They can still get in and out. Looks good enough for me. Do the old. See, it ain't too hard to get it in there. Guess they open. Shoal Creek Market. I don't know which store you use. God bless America. From sea to sign and she. Best gas station food ever. Well. That was spot on barbecue, I have to say. The sign is true. Best gas station food and all. And there's the gas pumps right there. They don't look like they working. 87's all they got. So Shoal Creek Market and Grill. And get this. Tonight, or this evening, I guess. He just said tonight. That he's gonna be doing some crab boiling and seafood tonight. I'm like, dang, I'm gonna have to come back. But yeah, for barbecue, that's my new favorite place, I say, because it's the barbecue got it was tender. You get the taste of the smoke, and I got the jumbo. I wish I'd have just got the regular, because I barely could finish that jumbo. I didn't quite finish. I left a couple bites. French fries needs work, but I should have got the onion rings. But what I had was a canned Coke, and the jumbo barbecue was $6.99. I don't know how much the fries was, but total was $13.79. So that isn't too bad. That's about on par for places around here, plus the size of the barbecue. So yeah, I had to give it an A+. James Spann was right. So anyway, you go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later. We're gonna go home. I gotta go buy some metal.